about this vacuum is that when you turn, it turns with you, so you can get it on a tight corner like this.
Yeah, you want to show him?
Now I'm going to do it with it on.
Okay. And it has a wind tunnel and a light. We love the light. Helps us find the Legos. We may have accidentally sucked one up though. And it's cordless.
And also, when it's on, they're on. You do this and it'll stop the thing.
The brush? It stops the brush when you prop that up. That's right. That's right. And then there's the hose is attached to it.
And you can see a little.
Oh, you can see all the dust. Yeah, you're right. All right.
So,
should we try the stairs next?
whoa, this vacuum is very bungee.
Well, that's the hose, so you can do the stairs. See, just pop it off the side. Can you figure it out?
Yeah.
No, don't turn the canister upside down.
This is upside down.
How do you hold it? There's a handle at the very top. There you go. That's how you carry it. Yep. That's the end. Mm-hmm. Oh, don't. Yep. Think about it. He hasn't had any practice yet. Oh, don't pull on that. There's a little blue button. There you go. Do you see there's an attachment? Yep. Nope. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good catch. All right. So now what do you do? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sorry, I'm gonna put it on here. Let's see.
I think you're right. Just slips in there. But there's a bigger brush. Hold on. I'm going to pause this for 1 second. All right. Now we're going to attempt to do some stairs.
Okay. So what you do is once you have it snapped off,
Uh-huh.
which, what I said,
Okay.
push the blue button, this one, and then you just pop it off. You take an attachment, not the big one, because that's, I'll show you that later. And then you just slip it on, and then
You're
come
doing
over
stairs.
here to the stairs. And you just turn it on.
Especially when you have crazy stairs like we do.
Yeah, you just turn it on. And you start sucking.
That's right. You got to get in all those angles. Yeah.
Also, you can take this off and just kind of like mini vacuum.
Yes, you could do it that way too. Or you can slide that brush back. Slide the brush down.
You have to push it back.
Yep. Okay, well we won't worry about it. There you go. And you can get in the edges. Yep. Yep. So we're going to let him finish the stairs. And then we'll show you one other really cool thing we like about this vacuum.
The thing about the Hoover Air Cordless lift that I would like to show you today is that if you take this extension that looks like an awesome robot arm, you can grab this. Oh, yeah, first. You push down on this blue button, you pull this long pull out, take the extension, you just put it, oh wait, and you put this on, except when you put this on, these little bitty things right here, the button will clip onto those. So, you see,
Mm-hmm.
on. Okay, that's on. Yeah, okay. Then you take the end of the pole, grab this, of course, and you will put it just however you really want it facing. Now, what you could do with is you can actually bend it like this. Sometimes hard though. So yeah. Now I'm going to be back.
Whoops. Try it again.
I'm going to be vacuuming up there. Ow. So tight. So all I have to do is just like this.
Okay, try it. Turn it on.
Or turn it like this. Yeah.
Whichever angle you want.
So I'm going to turn it on. Now all I have to do is just sort of go on top of it.
Perfect.
Then, if you want to do your windows like this, you can just go up like this.
Apparently I have very dusty windows.
Now you can brush your walls.
Awesome. Thanks, George.
Welcome.
Bye.
Something cool about this vacuum is that when you turn, it turns with you, so you can get it on a tight corner like this.
Yeah, you want to show him?
Now I'm going to do it with it on.
Okay. And it has a wind tunnel and a light. We love the light. Helps us find the Legos.